In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own image here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can actually do this. First one, if we come over to Uploads, in the Upload section over here, we can then click on Upload Files, choose the image that we want to upload, click Open, and then that image has now been uploaded into Canva. Then I can click onto that image, I can resize, make bigger, make smaller, and do whatever I want to with that image. Now, another way is just by taking your image and then dragging it directly into the upload section, and it's going to do exactly the same way. Now, another way to do this is simply taking your image and then just simply dragging it onto the canvas, just like this, dropping it on, and it's going to put it directly onto your canvas where you can start using it, and it's also going to put it in your upload section, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add your own image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.